Picture a global supply chain in 2014. Factories drowning in paperwork, multiple auditors arriving weekly. The same security questions asked by different companies, creating chaos and fatigue. That's when major US and Canadian importers who participate in AEO or CTPAT said enough and created the SCAN Association, Supplier Compliance Audit Network. One audit, shared results, standardized processes, built on a simple principle.
Why audit the same factory multiple times in a year when once will do?
Here's how it works. SCAN's annually trained auditors visit each factory once per supply chain security audit cycle. These auditors are rotated based on a risk-based audit cadence. BSI Professional Services, as the program manager, facilitates the entire process, from audit assignment to corrective action completion. Results go straight into a secure, blockchain-verified repository. All SCAN member companies access the same trusted data. Corrective actions are standardized and tracked until complete. The results speak volumes. Over 38,000 audits completed across 93 countries since program inception. In 2025, $15.6 million in audit cost savings for factories, and an estimated 720 metric tons of CO2 emissions prevented. SCAN, via online tools, trained over 700 auditors and over 7,000 factories annually. In 2024, the SCAN Association earned official recognition through a partnership with U.S. Customs and Border Protection's CTPAT, the Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism program. SCAN proves that competition and collaboration aren't opposites. When companies share the load, everyone wins. Suppliers, importers, and the entire global supply chain ecosystem.
SCAN. One audit, shared results, and stronger supply chains.